How to change vocal effects in Voloco. Here's how to change vocal effects in Voloco. Super easy and super quick. Open Voloco app. Now you are on the home screen. Tap the plus button in the middle to start a new project or select record audio or import if you already had something saved. And now tap new project and jump into the recording screen. You can either pick a beat or tap no beat for a clean voice. Now tap the mic or record button. Start talking, singing or rapping. Voloco will record your raw voice or auto-tune it live if a preset is already applied. Now here's come the magic. After recording, you will see a row of presets or effects name at the bottom like hard tune, big chorus, super vocoder, modern rap, 8-bit radio and more. Tap on each one to preview the effect on your voice. Happy with new vocal effects? Tap the arrow button, then hit save or publish your creation. Boom! Your voice now has whole new vibe. All thanks to Voloco vocal effects. Like this transformation, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more quick music and trick. Catch you in the next one.